guys doing today? So on my New Year's video, a bunch of you said that you wanted to get to know me some more. And become one, forget for know me too. I compiled a bunch of questions from different YouTube tag videos to answer and share with you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and that after it you'll be like, the notion telling a little bit more, you know what I mean? So let's get into the video. So before we get into the questions, if you're wondering how to achieve this beat face, then the makeup look is already uploaded on my channel, so I'll put the link below or somewhere here for you to click through and watch it. So the first question that I have is, if you were another person, would you be friends with you? Yes? No. I wouldn't be friends with me. Well, it depends on how I meet me. You know what I mean? Is that bad? No, because like, if you meet me, like for argument's sake, like at work, like in my zone, I wouldn't want to be friends with me because I'm super antisocial when I get into like work mode, because that's all I want to get done. I don't want nobody to talk to me. I don't like interaction at work when I'm trying to get things done, when I'm trying to check things off my to-do list. But if you catch me in a more comfortable setting where I'm like with my friends and you can actually see like my true personality, then I'd want to be my friend. Honestly. So the next question is, what is your favorite cuss word? And this is a Jamaican bad word, but I love it. It's bumbleclot. It's so decorated and it can be used so many different ways. You know, if you're happy or you like something, you can say bumbleclot, that nicey. You know, if you're mad and somebody piss you off and you say bumbleclot, I like that girl. Or if you're hungry, you can say bumbleclot, I'm hungry, you know. Or you know, if anything, any emotion that you feel, you just say bumbleclot, 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 bumbleclot. If you don't curse, I'm really sorry for saying so many curse words in this video, but I curse a lot, you know. But curse, bumbleclot enough. Next question is 2 of my pet peeves. 1, I hate people that chew with their mouth open. It pisses me off. It's disgusting. It's gross. It's everything. My sister's over there smirking because she does it. It is disgusting. So another pet peeve of mine is people that can't take correction. Like, you try to guide them and tell them that something isn't going to work or this is incorrect. They just can't take correction. They can't just accept constructive criticism and then learn from it and grow. I hate people like that, because people like that are normally stagnant, and like, you shouldn't make your own self stagnant. Like, you shouldn't be standing in the way of your own growth. I don't like that. 2 hobbies of mine, and this is gonna sound bad, but like a genuine hobby of mine is eating ice cream. Like it's something I enjoy doing. Like, I'll be at home and I'll be like, I should eat some ice cream. And then I go and I buy ice cream and I eat it. That's genuinely a hobby of mine, eating ice cream. Doesn't help me much with my goals, but you know, eating ice cream. My second hobby is, do I even have hobbies? Like, outside of eating ice cream, I don't feel like there's anything else that I do. And I say this to say, well, I guess YouTube is a hobby. I mean, technically. So I guess that could be my favorite hobby. Yeah, YouTube. You guys, you're my favorite hobby. Would you rather the superpower of reading minds or the superpower of invisible? No way, that not really good. Would you rather have the superpower to read minds or the superpower to be invisible? Because, you know, that was in English a while ago. I would definitely say read minds, because I can be invisible. I don't need to be invisible. Why? I mean, you're already invisible to so many people anyways. You know, like, you're here and some people will be like, I didn't even see you at the party, and be like, but I was standing right beside you though. You know, you don't need that superpower to be invisible. Sometimes people just don't notice you. I'd want to read minds. I want to know that when I was standing beside you and you ignore me, you were like, God damn, why is this bitch standing beside me? And then when you see me the next day, you go, oh my God, how come I didn't see you at the party? I'm like, but you did though. So I want to read people's minds like, yeah, oh, okay. Hey Sean, how you look nice today. That color ain't your color, boo. Yep. Thanks. I think it's my color though. I want to read people's minds because people lie. Are we here? If you could have one personal selfish wish, what would it be and why? I can think of two things. And it will be one selfish wish that to always have like an influx of money. Because then I could use that to get anything else I wanted. Like anything else. But then another selfish wish of mine, which I feel like I would probably enjoy far more, is to always have a chiseled, toned, good girl body. Yes, I'd enjoy that more than money, yes, because I feel like I've never genuinely attained my hot girl body. And like I'll be so motivated and dedicated, and I'm like, I'm not gonna eat no ice cream. I gotta get toned. My body's looking right. I'm almost there. I'm on the path to abs. And then I don't know, I'm gonna just lose myself and start eat junk, and then all of a sudden my body's like, hey, what is all this? Let's hold on to it. And then I'm fat again. Well, not fat, but just further away from toned. Yeah, so that would be my selfish wish, to like never be able to lose my toned, chiseled body. So this next question is 7 places I'd like to visit. 1, Cuba. You'll see why I wink later on. 2, Spain. 3, France. 4, Morocco. 5, Japan. 6, Mexico. And 7, Dubai. Yeah, Dubai. That's my 7 places I'd like to visit, and I'm gonna visit them. I'll probably visit some of them this year. Probably not. We'll wait and see. You never know what life holds or has in store for you, so let's see. It's time to sleep. What are you actually wearing? It depends on how tired I am. So, if chances are I'm just sleeping in my panty. God no. I like to sleep naked. I feel nice and free. I will never sleep in a bra, so I can't sleep in a bra. So I'll probably be, or if I'm not in a panty, I'm in like an oversized shirt and my panty, and then that's it. Yeah, oh, my underwear, sorry, it's panty a little too personal. So I sleep in my underwear. I probably edit that part out too. This too much. What's a nickname only your family calls you? I don't want to judge me for the name here. And I don't want to ever call me this. Mega fight to narrow. Bonjo. Bonjo. Bunjo. Bonjo. My auntie called me that. My uncle called me that. All of my auntie's children call me that. My mother called me that sometime. I have no idea where it come from. I just know, like, from little picnic, my auntie always said, Bonjo Wagwan. And I always liked it. I've never actually had a problem with it. My mother used to call me Shan. Well, she still does. But I find that a lot of people at work call me Shan. And it took me a while to get over it. So that's no longer a family name. That's just like an everyday name because everybody calls me Shan. Like, my mommy and daddy used to call me Shan. And now everybody at work, like, even in emails, hi Shan. And I'm just like, ugh. But I've gotten over it now. I've gotten over it. So the family name is Bonjo because Shan is apparently now universal. Occupation you wanted to be when you were a kid. When I was a child, I always wanted to become a teacher. And then I remember my grandma asked me one time, hey, what do you want to be when you grow up? And a teacher. And she said, so you want to be poor? Because teachers aren't really well paid in Jamaica. She said, so you want to be poor? And I thought about it and I was like, I don't want to be poor. I can't be poor. I don't want to be poor. And I genuinely never wanted to be a teacher after that. Then Thank you, Grandma. You saved me from being poor. Rest in peace. So I have one more question, guys. And the last question is, do you want kids? And this is a yes, but with a condition. So I want kids if I'm married. Otherwise, no. And that may be like, you guys may be like, why? Because I feel like, well, I never grew up in a two-parent home, so I can't say that children outside of a two-parent home aren't, well balanced. I'm not saying that at all, but I just feel like as a parent, it's easier to grow your child when you guys live together. Well, you don't have to be married to be living together still. But for me, I feel like the ideal situation is for me to be married, in love with my husband, and then we have kids, and then we grow them together to fuse both of our personalities into the child. And I just feel like that's my ideal situation. You may disagree, and that's fine, but for me, if I'm not married, I don't want kids. Alright guys, so I have no more questions to answer. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you learned a little bit more about me and the type of person that I am. I'm kind of goofy, I'm kind of silly, but I'm pretty sure you knew that already. But yes, really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I want to send big ups to MsTooFine and KymJ's room. They also have their own YouTube channel, so I'll be linking them below for you guys to go and check out their content. It's really good. So show them some love. Tell them that ChantayLainey sent you. And I'd also like to pick up Catherine Cornwall. So these guys, they're always on my videos, showing me love, commenting, and all of that. And I really do appreciate people that take the time out to, just share kind words, because positivity is so important. I always say that. So yes guys, big up to Uno, and if so you always show love from my channel, big up to you too. If you're a silent watcher, big up to you too. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next upload guys.